Hey guys, what's up? It's Mark. Thanks for watching. Check out this gorgeous blue 6-inch ProComp Lifted 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie, riding on a set of 35-inch mud tires with a full exhaust. Check it out. Rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, we've been rolling. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check out this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you guys a little secret. Check this out. Ready? Watch this. Ready? How do you like that trick? How do you like that trick? You like that? What are you guys thinking I did? It's like something with the starter, something with like, probably thinking like this guy just started a truck, hot wired a truck by pushing a button in there or something. Just messing with you guys. It's the key fob, remote start. These have been around for how long now? Just kidding. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check out this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 Laramie. It's got a BDS suspension lift, rolling on a set of 35 1250 20-inch mud terrain tires. And it goes full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing. Full clearance. It's a really nice truck. It's got a set of chrome 20 by 9-inch wheels on it, and these are alloy ProComp alloy wheels. They're not in the greatest shape, I'll be honest with you, but you know, chrome and blue flows with the truck. Truck's really nice. The paint is absolutely beautiful. It's a 5.7 liter Hemi, full 4-door, windows tinted to match, remote start. If that damn door would open. There we go. Now it wants to cooperate. You got the Dodge Ram mats front and rear. Now let me show you around the front. Hop on the other side, and I'm going to drive around so the sun's not blaring in you. I can show you the front. Let me spin this sucker around real quick. Why don't you stand on that guard right there? Check this sucker out. Ready? Hopefully Noah doesn't fall out. Noah, hang on with me. It's like Jack from the Titanic. Don't leave me. Don't let go. No, I hope you don't let go. There we go. The sun is right there. Perfect spot. All right. So guys, check out this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. What do I like best about this truck? Creature comforts. Honestly, the interior makes you feel so tough, concluded, and stable. I guess the word I want to use is stable. It's got 70. Come on now. We know one thing's for certain. It's got 46 miles still empty. So it's got 76,000 miles on it. It does not have a backup camera. Noah corrected me on the last video he messed up on, the bloopers. It's 5:13 p.m. It's one thing that it says right here. Hey guys, check this out. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, as well as passenger cooled and heated. Dual climate control, navigation, sunroof. And I mean, the truck really is nice. When you get a Laramie, you get what you pay for. It's a super nice truck. White leather stitching, perforated seats, 2 sets of mats right here with the Ram logo incorporated into the mat, all embroidered and stitched. Glove box with your spare key, your key right there for the truck. You're right here with your Laramie logo included in it. It's just a really nice layout. It really is. The truck feels great. Wood grain, and I love driving it. No, how do you like driving it?
I love it.
Drives good. 80 miles an hour, stable as a horse. Horses aren't stable, but anyways.
They go in a stable.
They go in a stable. There you go. So I'm going to do a walk around this. You guys check out the truck. It's got a set of rough country suspension shocks on it. Oh, check it out. Adjustable pedals. I just found that out. So there's that beat it driver. It's got some goodies on it, so runs and drives good. Passed inspection. And there's Kevin! Kevin, what's up, buddy? Somebody just called me. Forgot to put the phone on airplane mode. Totally just messed up my video. So we're restarting. And I'm gonna leave off where I start. Let's go around this side. So the paint, obviously, it's super, super nice. It's got tinted windows, Rough country shocks, and it's super nice. Come check it out. Backside, big screaming Dodge logo. Nothing worse than a Dodge in your face about to ram you. Nice bed liner right here. Noah took that in a perverted way, but moving on. Laramie right there, and it really is a nice truck. Noah wants to say something, but he can't. He feels like he can't.
It's a dual exhaust.
Oh yeah, guys, this is totally unscripted. Everybody you guys see of me, sometimes some ones that are scripted will be very like, you know, proper and notated and this and that, but most of them are unscripted. I'll be honest. How many bloopers do we do? A lot, a lot. One day I want somebody to reach out to me who has like editing software and all this like nice stuff and like put the videos in like sequence and like a symphony. So if you're out there, hit me up. I need your help. Dual exhaust. Noah just told me about that. It's got a nice full dual exhaust system on it. I believe it's a set of Flowmaster 40 series Flowmaster mufflers. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna go talk to Kevin. He can't stop laughing. I'm gonna go talk to my buddy Kevin, and he's in the bushes peeing or something like that. But anyways, hope you guys are doing great. Subscribe. This is Mark signing out with 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. Oh yeah! All right, see you guys later.